Okay, I look like this on the vlog channel all the time, but I think this is the debut for the main channel here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Today I'm sharing a little pack with me. This is real as it gets. Like seriously, I have self tanner setting. I have to go put moisturizer on my hands in a second. My hair is wet. I am wearing a robe and I'm packing. It's not glamorous, but a lot of you guys wanted to see what I'm packing. It's gonna take me a couple hours because I do have to wait until I get the self tanner off to like kind of try on the outfits I'm going to be wearing down there, and just kind of I'll walk you guys through it. So make sure to click the subscribe button. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so a couple things I have set aside here. So this is the luggage that I bought from Amazon a couple months ago. It's very large. This is the one we're checking, and then this is the one that I'm using as a carry-on. This is the one my husband's using as his carry-on. The cats have been all over it today. They're all from Amazon, but actually he's already packed. Okay, so this is Sam's suitcase open. He packed all of his clothes. Oh gosh, there's literally animal hair everywhere. All of his clothes, his shoes, everything in this one bag. It's like 21 inches. It's the black one from Amazon Basics, and I do believe this is gonna be on Prime Day. I don't see why it wouldn't be, because usually Amazon stuff is on Prime Day. So he is technically like fully packed clothing wise. So that's his suitcase, but I have my carry-on, and then this is the one that I'm gonna be using. So I do have this set aside. I just went and grabbed his glasses. So I'm taking 3 pairs. I've shared this on my Instagram a couple times. Got 3 pairs, and then this is his because he's gonna take an extra. So taking this. Do have my Victoria Emerson bracelet set aside. I just need to pull them out and actually put them in my travel case. I'm also taking this. It is a self-test just in case something happens. Got this that I put on my mirror. I'm taking this. It like holds my phone, so if I want to film anything in the bathroom while I'm there, I totally can. So that's kind of where we're starting, but we're very early in the process right now. Hello beautiful friends, and we made it to Jamaica. So our room is a disaster. I cannot even explain, like it's so bad. But we finally got here, and it actually was not near as bad of a travel experience as I thought it was gonna be with the pandemic and COVID and tests and this and that. Basically, we got up at 5 and I packed everything that I needed to stay in Charlotte the night before we flew, because we were flying out of like Charlotte airport. We didn't want to get up like super early in the morning, so we just stayed in Charlotte right by the airport. I packed everything that I needed in my carry-on, and then the rest of our stuff, like my curling irons, all of my dresses, my heels, the clunky stuff all went in the big suitcase. And then you guys saw just a couple seconds ago, I was like weighing the luggage to make sure that it didn't get too heavy, and it was like 48.7 pounds or something. Like we were so close to 50, but we did manage to pack and get here successfully. It was actually very smooth, and now we are in Jamaica and it is absolutely beautiful here. Two things I did forget was my Clarisonic, which I'm a little peeved about, and then my face wash. But I did bring my all natural soap that I use on my whole body, and it also can be used as face wash, so it's not a huge deal. But gonna show you guys a quick view of my room. I do have I will do a resort review on my blog, maybe like the end of next week when we get back, because I did bring the camera, but I really just want to be kind of like present in the moment. Today is one of my bestie girls' birthdays. She and her husband are here with us, and her name is Sam. I have to call her Samantha because I can't, like, my brain can't call two people in my life Sam. And so we are about to go out to the pool and spend the day celebrating her. It has been such a magical trip so far, but I wanted to show you guys. So we're staying at Royal Tenda Grill in Jamaica, and travel authorization only allowed us to stay on the resort. We could do excursions, but one of the couples we're traveling with has a young baby. She's not here. They left their daughter with her parents, and then the rest of us just like, we're just trying to be as cautious as possible, and everybody here is being very cautious. They have social distancing and stuff, so we really didn't have any desire to go off the island. But I want to show you guys this view, because there really is no need when this is your view. Okay, so this is right outside our room. Like, I'm still in my room. Oh wait, let's lock. Filming. Playing on his phone, but we have this swimming pool right here, and this is our view. How stunning is that? There's a couple more over there, and then this way.
It is not in the morning.
I know, it is so early.
It's like midday.
They don't do the daylight savings time here, so it's super early, super bright early, and very dark early. But so gorgeous, and our friends are actually over there by the pool now. So we are about to head out and go celebrate with them. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, keep an eye out on my blog for the resort review. I will have that up next week. Love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.